Good morning students. Welcome to Academia Ambala. Today I am going to do few questions of exercise 5.6. Question number 1. Multiply. 5 by 6 multiplied by 16. So here you can see this is a fraction and this is a whole number. So the first step for this is you will write down the fraction and the whole number will be written in this form. 16 by 1. So when we put 1 in the denominator, it doesn't change the value of 16. Now the next step of it is that the digits over here, they can be cut if they come in the same table to bring the fraction into the lowest term. So 6 and 16, they come in one table, that is of 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 8s are 16. Again, one very important thing that you have to keep in mind is whenever you are cutting the numbers, they should be in alternate position. One should be numerator and one should be the denominator. Now, the numbers which are left, we don't have these numbers in one common table. So, we are going to multiply them. Numerator will be multiplied with the numerator. 5 8s are 40 and the denominator 3 multiplied by 1. This gives you 3. Now, this is an improper fraction and you cannot write down the answer in improper fraction. So you will convert it into a mixed number. So for that you will write down like this. The answer that you have got, that is the quotient, will be written here in the center, the remainder and the divisor. So this is the answer. Now you can cross check your answer by a method. 13 multiplied by 3. 13 3s are 39. And you can add the number over here in the numerator in the answer. So 13 3s are 39 plus 1. It gives you 40, which is written over here. That means it is a correct answer. The second part is 3 by 4 multiplied by 5. Now, in this example, you have to first convert this number into the pattern of this fraction. Now, when you see this question, these numbers 5 and 4, they don't come in one common table. 3 and 4 also don't come in one common table. So, the answer that you can get is by multiplying the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So, 5 3s are 15 and 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. Again, this is a improper fraction. So, you will convert it into a mixed number. The pattern remains the same. The number, the quotient that you have got is to be written here, the remainder here and the divisor here. So this is the answer and you can cross check your answer as I have told you. Now there is third type of a question in this exercise. It is 7 by 11 multiplied by 11. So when you convert it into the format, you can see 11 and 11. They both come in the table of 11. So you are left with 7 into 1 and 1 into 1. So this gives you the answer 7. Now the next question of this exercise is you have to find out 1 by 4 of century in years. First thing over here to be kept always in mind is that the two words which are written here, you have to find out the relation between the two words. 1 century is equal to how many years? 100 years. Now, this word which will be written over here will be always bigger and the word given in the bracket will be smaller. So, you have to write down the fraction here 1 by 4. Now, of you have to convert it into a multiplication sign. Then is 100. Now, at the place of century, you have to write down 100 over here. You can put 1 in the denominator. Now you have to convert it into the lowest term. Now there are two methods of it. You can multiply the numerators and the denominators and divide it. Or you can find it out in the lowest term. Whatever is easy for you to be done. So here it is 2 2s are 4 and 2 50s is 100. Now these two numbers which are here, they still come in the table of 2. So you have this as the answer. The numerators left over here are 1 and 25. So you have to multiply them 25. The denominators, they have to be multiplied 1. Now whether you write down 25 by 1 or you can also write it down as 25. It is correct. So you have to write it down the unit also. If you will not write down the unit, you will lose your marks over here for no reason. So whenever in any question, if you have been asked to write down the answer, unit is must. So 25 years. The next is 5 by 6 of a day. You have to find out in hours. Now again, the keywords, they have to be seen. It is day and hours. So the relation between the two is 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So this fraction, it will be written here 5 by 6 of, you have to put a multiplication sign, then 24 upon 1. Now 6 and 24, they come in one table. So the numerators which are here to be multiplied. So you get 20 divided by 1 multiplied by 1. It is 20 by 1. It can also be written as 20. The unit over here to be written here. So you have found 5 by 6 of a day is how much? 20 hours. So this is the answer. Keep practicing and be perfect. Thank you.